Riverbed Steelhead appliances do a remarkable job of speeding up data traffic across wide area networks for data centers and for office workers. It's not unusual for some WAN-based applications to speed up by 50 times or more with Steelhead appliances from Riverbed, but there are situations and locations where a physical Steelhead appliance just isn't going to do the job. One type of worker who might have trouble using a physical Steelhead appliance is the mobile worker. Employees who work from home, a hotel room, or from their local coffee shop can't lug around their own personal Steelhead appliance. Or can they? Steelhead Mobile gives users the functionality of a Steelhead appliance, but totally self-contains it within their laptop and requires minimal special configuration. You get all the basic functionality of a regular Steelhead appliance, including deduplication, network protocol acceleration, and application or what's called Layer 7 acceleration. The result is the same kind of WAN optimization that you're accustomed to on a traditional Steelhead appliance. Steelhead Mobile has introduced some feature enhancements in the recent 3.1 version that make it better than ever at optimizing Citrix ICA and Zen desktop traffic, even if that traffic is encrypted. We're seeing better throughput for Citrix than ever before, and now Steelhead Mobile can split the Citrix traffic into multiple streams, separating, for example, file transfers, desktop applications, and print jobs, and assigning each the appropriate quality of service or QoS priority, helping the most critical data to move across the WAN even faster. And Mac users, don't worry, we're showing you some love too. Steelhead Mobile 3.1 includes support for Mac OS X and gives users the same degree of WAN optimization that they're used to from Windows. What's more, if you run VMware Fusion on your Mac, Steelhead Mobile will even accelerate the Windows-based applications running within the virtual machine on your Mac, and nobody else can do that. Another enhancement in Steelhead Mobile 3.1 is in its ability to optimize Microsoft traffic when communicating with Exchange Server and SharePoint Server running in your data center, even if the servers are running the encrypted MAPI protocols found in Exchange 2007 and 2010, so there's no need to choose between speed and security. In addition to the server-based versions of Exchange and SharePoint, Steelhead Mobile 3.1 introduces specific enhancements that will optimize those applications running within Microsoft's BPOSD cloud environment. To be fair, you do have to give up a little when you move from a traditional Steelhead appliance to Steelhead Mobile, but not as much as you might think. One of the traditional appliance's strengths is that it can deduplicate data from multiple users so that data only gets sent once across the WAN, regardless of its direction, source, or protocol. At this point, maybe you're thinking to yourself that there's no way to synchronize the Scalable Data Repository, or SDR, which is the heart of Steelhead deduplication, across multiple laptops running Steelhead Mobile. And what happens when I bring my Steelhead Mobile laptop into the office with real Steelhead appliances? The answer is that Steelhead Mobile can step out of the way and let the local Steelhead appliances do all the work, depending on how you've set your local policies. And even better, Steelhead Mobile's SDR automatically detects when it's in the office and automatically warms the data. That means that the most commonly used data in the office's SDR gets transferred to the laptop's SDR, and when the laptop gets back to its remote location, it acts as though it's already been deduplicated, even if the laptop has never sent this data before. We call this feature branch warming, and it's another unique Riverbed advantage. The bottom line for Steelhead Mobile is that it extends the Riverbed vision of WAN optimization everywhere. Steelhead appliances give it to you for the data center and for the office worker, and Steelhead Mobile extends that vision out to the mobile worker in the field. Thanks for watching. Please check out our website at riverbed.com for more information about Steelhead Mobile from Riverbed.